Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Electrick, where we make electrical engineering concepts fun and easy to understand. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of sensors. Ever wondered how your smartphone knows to rotate the screen or how automatic doors know you are approaching? Stick around and you will find out. Let's start with the basics. So, what exactly is a sensor? Think of a sensor as a device that detects changes in its environment and converts them into signals that we or a system can understand. It's like a translator for the physical world and the digital world. For example, a temperature sensor can measure the heat in a room and send that information to your air conditioner. Cool, right? Now, how do sensors actually work? At the core of every sensor is the ability to detect changes in a specific property like temperature, light, pressure, or motion. These changes are then converted into electrical signals. Here's a simple example. A light sensor detects the intensity of light and sends a voltage signal proportional to the brightness. The brighter the light, the higher the voltage. Pretty neat, huh? Now let's talk about the types of sensors. Sensors come in all shapes and sizes, but we can broadly categorize them based on what they detect. Here are some common ones you will encounter in electrical engineering. Temperature sensors. First up, temperature sensors. These measure heat or cold. You will find them in thermostats, refrigerators, and even in your car's engine. Common types include thermocouples and RTDs. Light sensors. Next, we have light sensors. These are used in devices like automatic streetlights and smartphones. Photoresistors and photodiodes are two popular examples. Motion sensors. Motion sensors detect movement and are used in security systems and automatic doors. A common type is the PIR sensor, which stands for passive infrared. Pressure sensors. Pressure sensors measure the force exerted on them and are used in applications like weather monitoring and industrial machinery. Proximity sensors. Proximity sensors detect the presence of objects without any physical contact. You will see these in smartphones and parking sensors in cars. So, why are sensors such a big deal? Well, sensors are the backbone of automation and smart technology. They make systems more efficient, safer, and user friendly. Imagine a world without sensors, no smartphones, no smart homes, and no automation. Life would be pretty inconvenient. Let's look at a real life example to tie it all together. Think of a smart thermostat like the Nest. It uses temperature sensors to monitor your home's climate and adjust the heating or cooling automatically. It saves energy and keeps you comfortable. That's the power of sensors. And there you have it. A quick intro to sensors, how they work, and the different types out there. Sensors are everywhere, making our lives easier and smarter every day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Got questions about sensors or suggestions for future topics? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.